Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. I know my phone is kind of sideways, but I'm just trying to hurry up while my granddaughter is asleep, pump out some videos, because I'm not going to be posting on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of June. So I just want to give you all some content. So this is my Slay Glam bag. Okay, and the first product that is in this bag is what's called a bow babe beauty product, and it is a blush. Okay, so let me see. Oh, I broke my nail trying to open it. And see, it is a pink blush. It's really, 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 really pretty. The only thing is, this is not going to show up on my skin, I don't think. Oh, look at that. It did. How about that? Ashy, a little ashy. But it's there. Pink. I would probably most likely use this as an eyeshadow. Okay, but it's very, 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 very pretty. A nice, soft pink. Okay, and this is it on my cheek. Never worn blush before. So, yay, kudos to me for trying something new. And I'm kind of talking low because I don't want to wake my granddaughter. And this is called Makeup with an Attitude. Makeup with an Attitude. And it's a lipstick, as you can see on the box. And it is in shade Diva. Okay, it's in shade Diva, and this is how it looks. Ooh, look at it. It's like a rose gold. Stop. Look at that. Let me bring y'all in. It's a little you know, glittery, but it's soft and it's more, y'all. Oh, look, got me a little blush on, got me a little lipstick. Okay, come through. The next thing I have is Charm Focus by Oakland. And it's in shade Coffee. And it is a perfect brow. Okay. Which it's not on me, because I think I swatched it. See the ashiness of it already? Okay. And so I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. Nothing. It's there, right there. See, it just disappears. Look, you see how ashy it made my lips? So, see, my lips was doing good. They were nice and pretty until I did that. Then next we have, it says Rachel Couture, face and body Face and body. Face and body. Here. Excuse me. Let's see. Okay, it says face and body shimmer spray. Face and body shimmer spray. So I'm not really into the shimmer, but okay. Let's put it on my neck. Okay, what you see?